Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Gmail username within just 2 minutes. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open any browser. Go to gmail.com and log in to your account. Click on your profile photo, which is on the top right corner. Then, a drop-down menu will open. Click on Manage your Google account. Then, you are redirected to your Google account page. Click on the Personal Info, which is on the left menu. Now, you will see all the personal information of your account. There, you will find Name option from the Basic Info section, click on it. Then, you are allowed to change your name. Modify the name. And, click on Save. Then, click on back arrow mark. There you will see the modified name. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.